Hello friends, once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel White Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to program Arduino Nano board with the help of register bit address. Here we will create a LED blink program. So let us get started. Now we will see Arduino programming. This is Arduino IDE. First of all we have to type here code. So I will show you pin diagram of Arduino Nano. You can see here D0 pin is RX and D1 pin is TX and D2 pin is digital 2, D3 pin is digital 3, D4 is digital 4, D5 is digital 5, D6 is digital 6, D7 is digital 7. Okay, and it means pin 0 to pin 7 is D port. Okay, and B port is pin 8 to pin 13. Here is B0, B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. B6 and 7 is connected to oscillator. It is internally connected. Okay. And port C start ADC 0 to ADC 5 and PC6 is reset pin. Here is missing PC7. Okay. So I hope you understood this. Now I will show you datasheet. This is datasheet. In case of port B, here B0 is 8 and B1 is 9. You can see here B0 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay. So here is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13 and this 2 pin is oscillator pin. Okay. First of all we have to initialize pin as a output. So I will open this IDE and to initialize as a output we have to type here ddrb. Okay, ddrb equal to B. This 2 pin B7 and B6 is connected to oscillator. It will be always 1, means always high, and this is 13 number pin is high and remaining all pin will low. Okay, it means 13 number pin is in output mode. Okay, and now here I will type for pin high, means I will turn on the LED. So port B equal to 1 1 and 1. Okay, now I will use delay. Five millisecond, sorry, 500 millisecond delay, and again delay 500 millisecond, and here I will turn off the LED. So port B equal to B. This is oscillator pin and this is 13 number pin 0 and remaining all pin should be 0. Okay, now I will compile and upload. So first of all we have to check here board is Arduino Nano and processor is Atmega 328P. okay, and COM port 4 is okay. I will upload. Wow, you can see this is blinking without using any function like pin mode, digital read and digital write function. I will tell you use of this register. Port B, when you use to write the data, it can be low or high. Okay, DDRB is to decide the direction. It will decide the mode of input and output mode. And pin is, this is input pin address. It will read the pin like digital read, it means. In case of port C, it is same, DDRC pin C, and in case of port D, it is also same. So I hope you understood this. Thanks for watching.